Warning, Bitcoin just had a triple death cross. These are bloody, these are gruesome, and they are very, very rare. The last time we had one was all the way back 4 years ago, 2022. We had a triple death cross right here, and what happened after? Mega crash right to our surprise bottom. It shocked the world. Time before that, 4 years earlier, 2018, 3-day death cross right here. And what happened? An absolute mega crash right to our surprise bottom. Time before that, 4 years earlier, 2014, 3-day death cross right here. What happened after? An absolute mega crash to our surprise bottom. Now in today's video, I'm going to give you 2 big secret clues that I have discovered in this chart. The first one is what always happens right after the 3-day death cross, the triple death cross. You heard me just say we just had a triple death cross. Bitcoin does the same exact thing right after every single time, and it's a little surprise move before the crash. I want to get into that. The second thing I want to get into is an even bigger clue that I want to leave you with at the end of the video. So let's get into it. Huge bonus video going out to the waitlist tomorrow, plus huge announcement to the waitlist today. Check your email now. Not on the waitlist? Join right now and instantly unlock the bonus video tomorrow and unlock a huge announcement today. Join the waitlist now at cryptocrewuniversity.com. So here we are. Bitcoin US dollar index, and today we're on the 3-day chart, and hot off the press, we had our triple death cross, something that we've been looking at for a while now, something that we've been preparing for a while now, and it has happened. We are here. It is happening right before our eyes. So we need to get to it because hot off the press, we have a confirmed triple death cross. We all know what comes next. We all know there's only been 3 others, and we all know they happen like clockwork every 4 years, right on schedule, and they always surprise everybody. They bring us right to a surprise bottom that everyone wants to dismiss. So let's really dig our heads in. Let's really figure out what is happening with the facts in these charts so we can get better prepared. Let's take a look. We will start our journey back in 2014. In 2014, we had our 3-day death cross right here when Bitcoin was sitting at around $325. You see, what happened right after this 3-day death cross? We actually went sideways for a little while. We even had a little bit of a rally. We rallied from about $303 all the way up to $336. That is a very large rally. We're talking about a 10% rally here right before the actual mega crash happened. So that rally got everybody excited. Everybody's at the edge of their seats. They're all like, look, here's the recovery. We pumped 10% in just a handful of days. And then it rolled over into a mega crash. It brought us right to a surprise bottom that everybody dismissed. Now, 4 years later, you can see what happened after this death cross, right? Then we had our golden cross, our triple golden cross, and then skyrocketed. Price went to the moon. We went to our new all-time high of $20,000, and then we fell. We fell right to this red line. You can see that each cycle, wherever we crash down to, we're usually holding some support at this red line. And now, those of you who are OGs, you remember me sitting in this chair and we were hovering around 6,000, 6,500, and everybody was convinced. The majority were convinced. The herd was convinced that the bottom was in because we were holding for months and months and months at 6,500. But I covered this exact chart 8 years ago. I covered the 3-day death cross. I said that typically these 3-day death cross lead to a mega crash and bring us directly to our bottom, which usually surprises most. What happened after that? Well, we can see we had the death cross right here, price was at roughly 5,500 as soon as we had it. So as soon as we had it, we already dropped from that 6,500, but people still didn't want to believe it. You see, because in a few days, we had moved from 5,200 all the way back up, and we were up back at 5,600, and people were excited. They said, okay, we're going to recover. We're going to get back to that 6,005, and then we're going to go up from there. But just like clockwork, the 3-day death cross, so far in the history of Bitcoin, these triple death crosses have been undefeated, because each and every time they do the exact same thing right before everybody's eyes, and it continues to shock the world. Huge bonus video going out to the waitlist tomorrow, plus huge announcement to the waitlist today. Check your email now. Not on the waitlist? Join right now and instantly unlock the bonus video tomorrow and unlock a huge announcement today. Join the waitlist now at cryptocrewuniversity.com. Now, what happened in 2018? Well, we fell from that $6,500 range. We had the death cross. We fell to that 5,500 range, and then we ended up falling all the way down to almost $3,000 Bitcoin, leading to the golden zone, which everybody wanted to dismiss because they were convinced we were going way lower. They missed the golden zone and they ended up buying in. And you can ask anybody. They probably bought in around 8,000, maybe 9,000, 10,000. And then they experienced the double bottom, which was gruesome, right? And then the whole pattern repeats. We go up for the next couple of years. We had our double top. Once we had our double top in 2021, when we started to crash, where did we crash to? We crashed right to this red line. And by the way, what is a triple death cross? You have the 50 MA in green. You have the 200 MA in red. We're on the 3-day chart, and you simply want the green to cross below the red. Any cross of the green below the red indicates a death cross. It's a triple death cross because we're on the 3-day chart. The 3-day chart literally has no false signals. If you want to go to the daily chart, there are a lot of false signals on the daily chart. The 3-day chart is the king. Okay, so falling right to the red line, that seems to be a trend. We did that 8 years ago. We fell right to the red line and then had the cross. So what did we do in 2022? We fell to the red line and then we had our cross. So you can see these patterns repeat. But what happened when we had the cross back here in 2022? We had this 3-day death cross, and then we actually went sideways for a whole bunch of days. But if you dig into it, what we actually did is we went from about $27,000 Bitcoin all the way up to $32,000 Bitcoin. Think about that for a second. 27,000 up to 32. It was a pretty big rally. How big, you ask? We're looking at almost 16% rally. So the market was pumping, plain and simple. We had this 3-day death cross, then the market pumped. And everyone's like, whoa, 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 whoa. This is it. I remember the day I talked about the 3-day death cross 8 years ago. I also talked about it 4 years ago. You remember when I was talking about it. So we had the 3-day death cross. We pumped 16%. Everybody is excited. Then we roll over and shock the world. It always ends with a mega crash right to our bottom. By the way, everybody will dismiss the bottom because they'll be convinced we're going way lower. And everyone thinks that they're going to outsmart it this time, and this time's going to be different, and this time they're really going to time the bottom perfectly and all of this stuff. And the same thing plays out time and time again, which is why I'm releasing my blueprint this time. I'm releasing my strategy that I have used for the last 8 years to predict these bottom things. And we're playing a different game. This is a game of buying inside of the golden zone. It's a game everyone wants to play, and it's a game everybody wants to win, and it's a very difficult game. Now, what you can see, what happens next, is the same thing repeats. We spend the next couple of years going up, and after we go up, Boom, we had our double top. The first top was at about 100K. The next top, that 126, that was the double top. After our double top, where did we fall to? We fell to that red line, the same story of the last 8 years. Nothing new here. When we fell to the red line, you can see what followed. We had our triple death cross, hot off the press. By the way, when we've been moving sideways, sound familiar? That's what we were doing 4 years ago. We had this death cross when we had already plummeted in price and we were moving sideways. Just for a second, take a look. You don't need to be a chart wizard to know and understand what I'm about to share with you. Take a look. 2021, top number one, double top. You can see bearish divergence was forming at this time, okay? And then we had this death cross, and then we plummeted into our first part here. Huge bonus video going out to the waitlist tomorrow, plus huge announcement to the waitlist today. Check your email now. Not on the waitlist? Join right now and instantly unlock the bonus video tomorrow and unlock a huge announcement today. Join the waitlist now at cryptocrewuniversity.com. What has happened so far? First top, second top, bearish divergence, plummet to the red line, crash down here, then have the cross. It's the exact same pattern. We are exactly in this fractal pattern right here, okay? Not up for debate. Just without using judgment or emotion, just look at the chart. We've had a double top. That's not up for debate. That's bearish divergence, not up for debate. In 2021, we had a double top, not up for debate. That was bearish divergence, not up for debate. The first thing we did was we fell to the red line, not up for debate. Look at it, double top, red line. What did we do this time? Double top, red line, not up for debate. What did we do after that? We had a pretty big mega crash, crash number one. What did we do this time? Pretty big mega crash, crash number one. What did we do then? Consolidate. We actually rallied in price too. Remember, 16%. What are we doing now? Consolidating. What have we done so far? Well, we have rallied about 16, 18%. Sound familiar? Yes. These are repeating patterns. Take them very seriously. They repeat every cycle like clockwork. Now, what I want to do is leave you with some of these big clues. By the way, I wanted to give you some words of wisdom for the bottom. So you've seen me cover a whole bunch of different charts over the past couple of weeks that illustrate one narrative and one narrative only. There's another mega crash coming. You saw me talk about the first mega crash when we were at 91,000 and I said we're about to have a mega crash. Then we plummeted in price from 91 all the way down to 60. When we got to 60, we rebounded. People got excited right away. I said, pump the brakes. There's a second mega crash coming. That's the one we've been covering for the past few weeks. I've been showing you from so many different angles, and the narrative is clear every time. There's a second mega crash coming. But I want to be clear on the timing because some charts say it could be in March. Some charts say it could be in April. Nobody knows when it's going to happen, and when it's going to happen is completely irrelevant, especially for those that have my Bitcoin bottom blueprint. You just simply follow the checklist and you're going to know when it's happening. It will be on your checklist. So I just wanted to be clear about the timing, to be cautious in the months of March and cautious in the month of April. We had talked earlier about two distinct things that I wanted to let you in on. And the first one was I had talked about being in the charts and seeing these clues. And the first thing, the first pattern that I see is when we have a triple death cross, people will hear triple death cross and they will think, ooh, that means the moment we have it, we plummet. In actuality, we just uncovered facts. In actuality, typically when we have it, we usually have a little pump. Sometimes it's 16%, sometimes it's 12%, but we have a pump. Each and every time we've had a pump. Why? Because the market will always trick the high majority. which is why it leads me to my second point. My second point is this, and this is what I want to leave you with, and this is what we've talked about the past month. When I was talking about the 3-day death cross, the triple death cross that's coming, I said, pay attention, because as we have a triple death cross, sentiment will be rising, not falling. Most people think as we're approaching a 3-day triple death cross that sentiment's falling, people are getting more scared. They're actually getting more excited because there's more rumbles of the bottom already being in. It happens every time that we have a triple death cross. So a triple death cross happens when sentiment is rising, not falling, which is why it tricks the majority, which is why once we plummet in prices, that majority that was tricked then start this new narrative that we're going significantly lower, and that never happens, and they completely miss the golden zone. Don't let that happen to you. Make sure you sign up to my blueprint. There is nothing like it in the game. It will make it so confident, so crisp, so clean, so clear. You will have confidence buying in the golden zone. Huge bonus video going out to the waitlist tomorrow, plus huge announcement to the waitlist today. Check your email now. Not on the waitlist? Join right now and instantly unlock the bonus video tomorrow and unlock a huge announcement today. Join the waitlist now at cryptocrewuniversity.com.